Good day, traders. How you doing today? It's a usual Monday. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah, what can you do? Okay, so the first divergence, this is the NASDAQ 5-minute, is this. I know this one is very hard to see. Took me a very long time to see them myself. See what we got long there. Stop would have been 31 points. Went up 44. Got your 1-to-1 right there. Then we had another trade, double top or higher high, and it was divergent. Would have got in right there. Did not reach your target. Did not. So if you would have got in on the opening of this candle, stop would be 25.5 points. Did not go down 25.5. Went down 20. So if you were quick on the draw and you closed it right here, well, you made a profit. Then we had another trade, ladies and gentlemen, like this. Hard to see hidden divergence. Would have got in right there. And by the way, I am not a financial advisor. This is strictly for educational purposes only. Okay, so stop would be 20. You definitely hit your 1-to-1 on that one. All right. That is the NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the S&P now. Looks about the same. Very crappy. Like this. Would have got long right there. Stop would be four. This is the S&P. 4.5 points, and it went up 7 points. There was not a divergence to buy here. On the Dow, chop, 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 chop. Wow. No, there's nothing here that I can see. That was a crappy day. Al, the algorithm sure did make a mess of the Dow today. Let's look at the pound dollar. It just did a slow grind down, but there is divergence. It's from way up here to here. And down here like this. See it? You see it. That's the divergence. So you would have got short up here at exactly 8:10 or 8:05 when that when the U.S. when the U.S. session, not station, we're not at the train station. When it started, right here somewhere, you would have sold it, okay, on the pound dollar. So if you sold it there, your stop would be 11 pips, and it went down 32 pips. 3-to-1 win-loss ratio, max potential. Right now, there's a divergence setup, but do I want to trade at 12 o'clock lunchtime? No. How about the euro? Let's look at the euro. What did it do? Oh, it had a triple or 4x top. 4 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see them all? Yeah. And you would have got short right in there. And there was a setup in here. And it went bad. You would have sold right here. And then they would have come up and got your stop. Okay, so there's the loser right there. And then if you were able to, you know, put up your fist and try it again, well, you would have been okay. You would have got your loss back. 7 pips. It's the euro. went down 20. Here's like a double bottom here kind of thing right here. Yeah, Mondays suck, and today it sucked. Big time. All done by design. Stop was 5 pips. So far it's went up 4. Pound yen. Oh, pound yen was good. La-dee-da. Oh yeah, pound yen was real good. Right here. Triple top, whatever. The Asia session, it was good. Well, because it's the pound yen. Look at that, 70 points it went down. And then there's the trade, which was still in the UK session. It's right up here. We could do the 3 amigos too. 1, 2, 3 amigos. Oh, you would have got right. You would have got short right on the open of the U.S. session. Stop would be 25. Went down 43. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Euro yen. Hidden divergence. Right here. Actually, I'll just put that a little bit lower. You can put it wherever it is as long as it's higher than here. It's divergent. So you would have got short right there. Stop would have been 16 pips. Euro, yen went down 32. And then we had another one, just like the one I just showed you. Another hidden divergence. Remember I told you about the candle closing up, the buy fake, and then they smack it down and then it closes near the low of the candle, where this one it closed right on the low. That's a trade where you would sell it right there. So you'd have the divergence and the smackdown trade, and you got in and you were golden. Stop would be 17 pips. Went down 26 pips. And then what about down here? I call that level divergence. If you wanted to be a buyer in here, went up 20 pips. Okay. Let's look at gold. What did gold give us? Or take away from us? Yeah. I don't see no divergence up here. High and higher high. And this is higher than this one. So there's no divergence to sell here. However, there is a trade. It's right here. Hard to see bearish divergence. Stop would be 27 pips, and it went down 65 points, ticks, whatever you want to call it, for gold. And then we have oil. What did oil give us? Did it give us anything? Jeez, why are these all over there? Oh yeah, that's right. It wrecked. It messed up my charts when I forced it to shut down last week. Okay, see, usually we'd see, you know, a retracement, and it would be divergent. But look, there's no divergence because this is lower than this one, and it needs to be the opposite of that. This one needs to be over here, and this one needs to be over here. Then it would have been divergent. ladies and gents. What about over here? There's no divergence to sell it from here. But there is, if you really want to take, a serious look at it, double bottom, triple bottom, whatever. And here's the divergence, okay? I know it doesn't look like it's lined up, but let me show you. See? It's lined up there and there. I drew it a little extra long, but yeah. It's divergent. You would have bought it right in here. This is oil, right? And from there, from 74 bucks, it went up to 76 bucks, $2. If you could hold it through all of this rigmarole. Do. So anyway, that's it. That's it for today. My good friends, my good fellow traders. So anyway, thank you for coming out and watching and listening. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I thank you for that. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button. It helps to grow the channel and we'll get more people, hopefully making money in the markets. But as I said, I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Have yourself a great day, traders. Good luck and good trading.